Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, and things that go on in my real life. And today I have an update, or my finale for Panning Punk project. If this is something you want to see, then stay tuned. Alright, this is my finale for Panning Punk. This is a PANtastic Ladies Collab group project, and it was created by Allie at Wonder in Alleyland. I have had fun with this project, and I wish it was coming back next year, but as far as I know, it is not. We may have some other musical related projects coming up, but I've really enjoyed this project. And Allie created a bunch of wonderful prompts, and the community also gave their 2 cents and added prompts. I got some from Unapologetically Shelly, and I added some of my own. And I would like to see it come back again in the future, but it is what it is, and let's see what I've been working on and what I'm rolling out and how I did overall in this project. So, first product I was working on was for the Ramones Rock and Roll High School, and that is a teenage staple, and I used to use blue, black eyeliner. Eyeliner is always a teenage staple and high school staple. So I brought in this eyeliner from LA Colors. It is their LA Color eyeliner pencil in turquoise. And my goal was to use it 5 times. As of the last update, I had used it 4 times. I only had 1 more use to go. I used it. Goal met on that. It is a wonderful color, and I really enjoy it. It's a nice creamy formula. I can give you a swatch of it. And that is what it looks like there. Beautiful, almost matching my hair kind of color. I apologize for my congestion and stuffiness. I will try to keep coughing, sniffling, and all that stuff to a minimum. Next is for the Misfits Halloween. It is a horror or scary movie or Halloween inspired product. I brought in my Corpse Bride palette from Revolution Makeup. And I brought in the shade Marry the Dead. It seems, fitting. My goal was to use it 10 times. It is the shade right here. As of the last update, I had used it 8 times. I had 2 more uses to go, and I only used it once. I am wearing it today on the inner corner of my lid. It is topped on top of something else, and it seems to have faded already. It's okay. There is a swatch of it there. So I was 1 use short of meeting my goal on this. So this is going to, actually, I guess I had 7. I used it twice. That's right. I used it yesterday when I did something. Anyway, yeah. So, I did not meet my goal on that, but I came really close. Next is for the prompt. It's a song I brought in from the Arrogant Sons of Bitches. It is the song Let's Go Nowhere. Solo, Let's Go Nowhere, and the prompt is Something Falling Apart. For that, I brought in my Electric Violet palette because the hinge is broken and it is falling apart. And I randomly selected the second shade, which is this one right here, sort of a mauve neutral transition shade. And we'll give you a swatch. It is right up there above the eyeliner, very close to my skin tone. Lovely transition shade. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I only got to 6. I have been focusing on a shade in my deck of panning project that I am trying to finish, before the end of that project, so this kind of took a backseat because that is a transition shade as well, and so this didn't get as much love, but I did give it some love, and that is more than it had previously. So I did not meet my goal on that, and that's okay. It's okay. As long as things get used, I'm happy. Next was another prompt I brought in. This is the song The Palm of Your Hand from Jim Lindberg, and that is something in a bottle was the prompt I created. And for that, I brought in my Frankincense Immersum Mist. Let me give it a good shake. It is a natural oil mist, so you have to shake it up to get the oils into the carrier. It's an aromatherapy room and body spray. I love it as both. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did that. I used it 5 times and probably more. So I did meet my goal on that one. Yay! Goal met. Another song I brought in was Steampunk Pixie by Frenchy and the Punk, and that is a product that makes you feel magical. And for that, I brought in this little sample of Dew of the Gods Iced Froze Body Scrub. It was a one-time use kind of thing, and I used it. It was okay. I mean, it was a body scrub. It has a very faint scent. Not that I can smell much right now, but I can smell a very faint scent. It was okay. It was lovely. Not something I'd probably go out and grab, but I used it. That is the point. Yay, I met my goal. I used it. And finally, this one is from Unapologetically Shelly. That is Rebel Girl from Bikini Kill, and that is an item fit for a queen. And for me, I brought in my Real Her Confidence in my glow. I had to stop and think about it because all the writing is wearing off. I've had it that long. This is the first highlighter I ever got from Ipsy, and it has a nice big shiny pan in it. My goal was to use it 5 times, and unfortunately, with being sick and not wearing as much makeup and just working on other products, I only used it 3 times, including today. I am wearing it today. It is a lovely highlighter. I will give you a little swatch of this. It is a nice sort of champagne color, and you can't even see it. It's right there at the bottom of my hand. Right there. There it is. That's it. Yeah, you can kind of get the shine there. So 3 out of 5 uses, not too bad. So overall in this project, I met my goal on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I met my goal on 20 products, prompts. There were, I think, 21 to begin with, and then I added 8. So I had 28, and I finished, what did I say, 21? So not too bad, I don't think so. Like I said, I really enjoyed this, and if it came back again, I would definitely jump and join in. But that is all for today. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, and future panning and inventory and life updates, then hit that subscribe button. It's free, and turn on the notification bell so get notified every time I upload and whenever I post something on my community tab, which I do occasionally. So until my next video, take care of yourselves. I'm going to go take care of myself, and stay true to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!